Hey, what's up guys? Today is 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. We're gonna go to fireworks place. So it looks great right there. And Isaac's already too right there. This is our clothes. We are so ready. And let's go with Isaac. So just pack everything down. Blankets, pillows, and all the foods. You ready for food? Barbecue? Right, you guys? You like barbecue?
Sure.
Oh, mommy has barbecue too. What else we need?
We need food.
Oh, the charcoal here.
Wait. Almost ready to go. We're just waiting a little bit so we could get there at the perfect timing. It's not too hot, but we could still find a place. So yeah. So we're on our way to the park to watch fireworks on the 3rd of July. We celebrate the 3rd of July, right? Okay, just kidding. We celebrate the 4th of July, obviously, but we do celebrate the 5th of July. Not kidding. And why do we do that? Yeah, it's Mommy's birthday tomorrow. Woo! Anyways, we have all this back full of stuff, even though in the beginning you saw it in another car. We changed it because we needed more room, so we have this car. And anyways, we have stuff right here to lay on. But it's also for at the park, because you know, why not? And yeah, that's your update. Right after I turn off the camera, he just poked me in the eye with the glow stick. No, Sean. I accidentally, I was like this, and then she turned around and poked her in the eye. We made an open door at Stater Brothers. We're sleeping while Mommy gets some snacks for 4th of July.
KSTN.
Hey, Brant Sherry is here too. She's the excellent producer of this program. And coming up this hour, things that I'm planning to talk to until Sherry stops me completely. They have this list of habits that people pick up as soon as they learn how to.
We just arrived at the park. And I smell barbecue. Whoever is here. Oh yeah, we bought some stuff at Stater Brothers. This dude was in a little cocoon.
No, I saw Mommy when she came in.
But you were in a cocoon. Replay the clip. Nice. Yeah, I think we're working on parking. But this parking spot is a little bit limited, so it's kind of hard. But yeah. Hey guys, we just set up here. Chocolate! Chocolate! From SpongeBob. Yeah.
Happy 4th of July to everyone, to Thank you for your service to men and women, for your service, law enforcement, anybody that does for this country. Thank you. God bless. Close to 4:15 by 5. Well, it's like 5 more hours. That's what the fireworks over there. Gonna be over there, and later on, this grass will be filled with people.
Ulang
Oh,
tahunnya
mommy's
besok.
birthday.
Tomorrow.
Mommy's birthday tomorrow.
Korean. No, in Indonesia already.
Right? July 5th.
July 5th.
Today, July 4th.
But in America still July 4. Thank you, Kair.
Okay guys, so now we're going to start barbecuing.
Second dance, second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the shell, I'm the master of my CEO. Oh, the master of my CEO. Oh, it's broken from the reach to my soul. The master's on hold, you took me. Look at me, shook me, took me, hey, the message, the way, the message, the brain,
Baby, I believe it.
send your face to the ones up above. All the hate that you turn. The spirit up above.
Choking in the crowd, living on the rain up in the cloud. Ashes to the ground, feelings they would drown, but they never lived that being for it. Limited to broken, rain down, it rained down like. Maybe I believe it. That's the face of the fire and the flame. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins, oh, ooh, the blood in my veins, oh, ooh. I've never ever lived a being of flowing hands, limited to it, broken when it rained down like. You made me a believer. This is my bed, and that's Isaac's ugly bed.
Don't listen to her. My bed is way better. It's purple. Hers is ugly.
We are about to eat our dinner.
Guys, I do not like this.
You do not?
It's burnt.
Kasih dia. Kasih.
There you go.
Taruh di piringnya aja.
Look at that.
Look at that. One.
Did you see that black thing?
No,
It's
look at that.
burnt.
It's good. Mommy with sambal. You know, sambal is hot sauce. Razak, you like it? Good? How about Grace? This mine right here. It's good, right? It's good. So we just finished cooking right there. So, eating dinner and then later on, fireworks over there. It's like this very moment that the one that will remember what happened, Grace.
I just tried to drink water while laying down. He was like,
He got all wet all over his his clothes because the water is losing. Look right there, his base all filled water. We're here still waiting for the fireworks. It's not here. Oh man, it's been a long time. It's not on yet, so what we can say. Is it working, Isaac?
No, only touch it.
Yeah, only if you touch it.
Huh? See?
Oh my god, how do you stop it? How do you stop it? Oh my god, oh my god.
It landed.
It landed correctly?
Yeah.
You have to go over there. Let's go over there. Let's go, Isaac. Ready to fly. Huh? Isaac, ready? He's over there. It's like this boy is on top of trees. Isaac.
Land back, John Cena.
One do it with my hand.
Pick it up. I didn't make it go down. Oh.
Wait. Where is it? Oh, you kill it! It's like bird don't have the wings and it just dropped. Good job, man. It's just... Oh, wow. That is just like bird drops.
It's about
From
to
the-
drop. I tried to like make it go again, but it just dropped like something.
Is it because not battery enough? Not power is not enough? Good job, Isaac. Nice. Oh, maybe the battery is not enough, huh? I think the battery. I don't know. Maybe it could be. Boom. Just drop it down, huh?
Yeah, I just kept trying to make it go higher now.
No.
Not a battery.
Oh,
I want to catch it. I want to. He's gonna try if he can because the battery's almost dead. It's literally dead. Fly, little birdie. Oh, there he goes, Catch it, Isaac! Catch it! Oh, he's dropping. Ah! It's getting really dark now.
guys,
So
we have to stay here to be warm for the winter. It's very hot. I mean, very cold out here, but this is very hot.
Oh
So we
yeah,
can stay.
definitely hot, buddy.
But
Definitely.
it's very windy.
Yes, definitely very windy.
Oh my goodness, it's dying on us. It's dying.
Definitely dying, sir.
Yes.
It's definitely.
Yes, it's dying. It used to be like this. Replay. Ding! But now it's this. Ding. Ding. We have no lights, no heat for the rest of the winter. I could try with my tongue. Ah! It works!
Wow.
It's very bright. Oh my goodness. It's... Let me make it again. Oh. That better? Yes. We will survive the winter once again.
Wow, definitely hot.
We not survived the winter. We are dead. You
Okay.
lick it.
Okay, I'll look it, guys.
Lick. Oh my god. It's so bright.
Okay, that was really just weird. Anyways, look at the palm trees. It looks so cool.
We will not survive the winter.
Okay,
We will not.
buddy, it's the 4th of July. So, and
We will
anyways,
die.
we're waiting here
We're
for.
gonna die.
No, we're not. Okay, and we're waiting here for the fireworks.
Fireworks play.
So we're back and now we're unloading the car, guys. You probably cannot see anything at all right now since it's literally so dark outside. So tired. And yeah, right now we're just unloading all the car things that we brought. And can't wait to see you all tomorrow for Mommy's birthday. Don't forget to comment down below. Bye.
Is it still on?
Yeah, you press it again.